Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2018 Chevy Cruze LT RS Hatchback Edition. For the month of June, Apple Chevy is giving all of its customers the option between 16% off or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $500 added on. This specific Cruze comes with a 1.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine and 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system, jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a sunroof. And then when it comes to the front of the car, we do have our standard Chevy MyLink radio, your heated seats, and even your basic cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. You guys have a great day.